Calculate the sum of x, y plus z value in the following reaction. It is a reaction between dichromate on reaction with Fe2 plus in presence of acidic medium, and it is converted to chromium 3 plus, whereas Fe2 plus undergoes oxidation from Fe2 plus to Fe3 plus and some amount of water formation occurs. You were asked to balance the reaction between potassium dichromate and the Fe2 plus, and you are asked to calculate the sum of coefficients present as x, that is H plus coefficient, and y that is chromium 3 plus coefficient, followed by Z, the number of water molecules formed in this stoichiometric equation, and one particular thing is taken as reference. If the coefficient of Fe2 plus is 6, under that conditions, the sum of x plus y plus z is how much is the question. On solving these things, here potassium dichromate chromium oxidation number is plus 6. This plus 6 is converted to plus 3. So therefore it is undergoing decrement in oxidation number, whereas for molecule this decrement is found to be 6. Hence its n factor will becomes equal to 6. Whereas if I focus my attention towards Fe2 plus, Fe2 plus is increasing its oxidation number by 1 unit, hence its n factor will becomes equal to 1. To get the short form of balanced equation as being oxidizing agent is different from that of reducing agent, on vice versa writing the coefficients of the potassium dichromate followed by Fe2 plus, it appears as 1 unit of Cr2O7 2 minus combines with 6 units of Fe2 plus in acidic medium. As a result, it is converted to 6 units of Fe3 plus, because the total ferrous, for the total ferrous, the source is Fe2 plus, the total Fe2 plus is converted to Fe3 plus, and all chromiums are converted to chromium 3 plus. Hence here it is 2Cr3 plus. This is balanced format in terms of the active atoms, active components, whatever chromium terms it is balanced. Ferrous, in terms of ferrous also it is a balanced equation. Now suppose in order to balance this one in terms of other, see here now the focus has to be given in terms of oxygen. Here 7 oxygen atoms are there. This side there is no oxygen atom, hence we have to write 7H2O. If I write 7H2O, the next term, that is balancing purpose, we will take into consideration, that is hydrogens. Left side we doesn't have any kind of hydrogen related species, whereas right side we are having 14 hydrogens. Hence these 14 waters, that is 7 waters, that is 14 hydrogens, as being it is acidic medium, we have to write it as what? 14H plus. Hence the total balanced equation appears as 1 unit of Cr2O7 2 minus plus 6 units of Fe2 plus plus 14 units of H plus combination results as 6 units of Fe2 plus plus 2 units of Cr3 plus 7 units of water. Here x, what is x here? X is coefficient of H plus, that is 14 plus y is coefficient of chromium is here 2, 14 plus 2 6 plus z is, that is 7, 16 plus 7 23. The total sum of x plus y plus z is found to be how much here? 23.